It's Hong Kong dollar, right? That's the local currency.
Yeah. The other method of transport to get around probably should do is the Star Ferry. That goes from the mainland to the Hong Kong island. It's like a 100-year-old ferry that all the tourists go on it.
It doesn't just go, it goes back and comes.
Yeah. I mean, you can do the same distance on the train and it's in the subway, but this thing is trained and you get a spectacular view of the city and the harbour and as you come across. It's like the harbour just rises straight out of it's huge. If you want to see something, a lot of tourists go up to Victoria Peak.
Yeah, I've heard about it.
That's well worth it.
Any time of the day?
Yep, even at night. So,
How do you get up there?
there's a system of elevators, elevators. But in the morning they go downhill because people live in the hill. In the evening they go uphill because people come home from work. So you go up this thing and you do a tram stop. Tram goes up the hill. Again, it doesn't take long to do in one area. It has tours.
And even in the evening?
Yeah, it's beautiful. Like the buildings here, some of the sky show, light shows and things.
Okay. We'll get in at about 5 to 9. Run to the city, check in, and roll up.
Yeah.
And it goes down with
Yeah. Well, Kowloon, I think, has night markets across the harbour. So, depends on what you are,
Nathan Road, yeah, that's a long road, but I think it's on the, I've been told it's on the
that's the one
the closer part to the train where it comes from.
Yeah. So,
the first station.
okay, central. So that's very close to and the elevator. The tram thing runs along Nathan Road, and it's very short. It's very, and you probably need to go to the Causeway Bay to get all the shops, or you can go across the harbour to the Calvert. You've got small markets everywhere. There's like around a couple of streets in the city, like an alley, and you can set up stores, camp, things, and you can definitely bargain with those guys.
Okay. Yeah, street totally work. Okay.
It's such a contrast. You have this financial capital of Asia, massive construction, but then in the alleys you have what looks like a third world. Yeah. And so where you're staying, you get all that to the rest.
Good. And the train that goes downward,
Very necessary. Very style. It's called the Star Ferry. So that's a star.
Okay.
In the
Walking distance of the hotel, or you go on the tram and then
either or. Yeah.
Oh, it has like stops, like a taxi.
No, it just goes from one thing to the next. From where you are would be walking distance, or you can catch the tram, or you can catch the MTR.
Okay.
The MTR's an experience, it's big.
It's big. This is also such a beautiful city.